Hey and welcome to Alpha. So I have now been running this robot for almost 1 day and I will now give you an update about it. But before I do that, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question at all, put them below the video. Also, if you want to start using some of the robots that I will show you through this new series, make sure you make a Forex account with the one up there. Works perfectly with robots and have a very tight spread. So now let's see how this robot did. This robot I needed to stop. It did terrible. We basically lost $70 the last 1 day or so. So this is not the one. So let's remove this one here. I will now try a robot that looks a little like it. It's a little different. Let's put auto trade here also. And let's turn it on. This one is supposed to be a little more conservative, will not take so many trades, and that's might be a good thing. So I will not let this robot run for 24 hours-ish, and if it do good, we will let it run farther. But if it do bad, we just move on and maybe start to find some robots that works on one pair. This one works on many pairs, as you can see, so let's see how we're doing. And right away a robot is working, like I said, I will make it so you can download it also, completely for free of course. So now he did the first trade, he did a buy for USD CAD. Let's take a look at that one. Let's see if we agree with that trade. USD CAD. And yes, I think I like the trade. Of course it's exactly on resistant there. Maybe not the best trade, but let's see. I will not judge it yet. So let's see tomorrow how this robot is doing, and then I will update you about this new series we have. So like I said, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel if you like this type of videos. So with that, have an amazing day.